Wow, I'm freaking exhausted. I just carried all of these groceries, insert clip because the camera's set up and I don't want to pick it up the stairs by myself, and boy am I freaking exhausted. But hi, welcome to the vlog. It's Han and I decided to vlog because I have the weekend free. Okay, I need a second, like come on. Why am I so out of breath? It is Friday. I got off work a few hours ago and I haven't been grocery shopping in like a month, honestly, and I was genuinely running out of things to scavenge together to eat. So I had to go to the grocery store and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I probably should take all this stuff out of the bags first so that you don't hear this the whole time. First, eggs, nice breakfast item. Cinnamon rolls, because sometimes you gotta treat yourself, okay? I have no explanation and I don't need an explanation. Strawberries, because I like fruit. I use them for my acai bowls too. Grapes, love fruit. I got some nectarines because again, I love fruit. Peaches, I wonder why. Maybe because I love fruit. Got some kiwis. I just really like to have a variety of fruit because it's a really easy snack, it's healthy, and I just love fruit, if I haven't made that clear enough. Got some bananas. What else? Oh, got some cuties, super easy on the go snack. Got some lemons, lime juice because they were out of regular real limes, taco seasonings, cilantro, pico. Now that we're talking about tacos, I got hard shells. I got some ground chicken, some regular chicken just for other meals, some queso. Now Kenna, don't come for me for buying store-bought queso because you need to try this. It is the best store-bought queso, Focus, that you will ever have, I promise. And if it's not, then you can sue me. Fiesta blend, shredded cheese, avocados, frozen fruit, mangoes in this berry medley, yogurt for smoothies, juice for smoothies, grape tomatoes. I got granola bars for snacks. And y'all, I got some of these things. These are Ritz toasted chips, sour cream and onion. Boy, these are so good. I tried these for the first time in Vegas, I'm pretty sure, and I was hooked. So gotta love crunchy snack. And I really never buy chips, and these I guess are kind of cracker-ish more than chip-ish, but they're so good. So I had to get these. Ziploc bags, press and seal because press and seal. Honey. Oh, how did I forget about this? A pineapple. Even though it's a lot of work to cut your own pineapple, this pineapple was less than $2, and if you buy pre-cut pineapple, it's literally like freaking $5 or $6, and I'm just like, I don't have that kind of change to be dishing out on pineapple. This was my favorite find. If you need cute fall decor, go to Walmart because they have these real pumpkins that come in a 5-pack, and there's a variety of orange and what color is this? White. They're only like $3, $4 for these really cute pumpkins, and they're real, and these mini pumpkins will last forever. Like, they will not rot. Ask Kenna because she had a pumpkin in her dorm when she lived in New York forever and it never rotted. Toilet paper because I'm a human. Batteries because I need them for my TI-84 calculator. My favorite chapstick in the entire world. If you know me, you know this is the only chapstick I will ever put on my mouth. I got some freaking ant killer because I'm having an ant problem. Not even really a problem, but an ant encounter, and I'm really trying to get rid of them, and we have maintenance people at the apartment who do it. They're coming next week and I just can't wait, so I figured I would take matters into my own hands. I got a Red Bull blueberry. Don't sleep on Red Bull, specifically blueberry. It is the best Red Bull flavor that I've ever had, and I'm kind of addicted thanks to Sam. I haven't had one in a minute, so I saw it when I was in the checkout line and I was like, gotta cop because this is good. Pretty sure that's all that I got. I hope that was quick. 8 minutes. I wonder how long I will be able to cut it down to. Tonight I'm just gonna edit and probably watch Riverdale or watch something else and just chill. I am up. I slept in because it's a Saturday and I had nothing to do today, and I don't get to sleep in that often, so I figured I would take advantage of the opportunity. Now I am ready, meaning I literally just got up, put clothes on, and I'm about to go. This is one of my favorite shirts from Urban. I love it. These shorts are from Target. Like I said, today is Saturday and I'm about to go to my mom's house to help her with a few things, but first, it's my dad's birthday today and he's in Mexico because he's freaking living it up, but I am gonna call him and see if he answers. What does that mean?
Hello.
Oh, hello. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Hello. Thank you.
Okay, cool. I got my smoothie, my fruit, my water bottle, and I'm ready to freaking go as I enter this dark abyss that is downstairs. Wrong light switch. Story of my life.
She moved out of state, she doing left, she seeking forgiveness. I make it snow in this bitch. She trying to get out of it.
Ah, everything is falling. Are we good?
Hey. Girls won't
These cars are staring at me. Love it. As you can see, I'm in the car now. I'm just vibing, jamming to Drake's new album. Obviously, if you know me, then that's all I've been listening to since it came out. So I'm gonna keep driving and keep jamming. This is terrible. I can't vlog in the car. It's nearly impossible. Hello. Hi, puppy. Hi. I can't pet you. My hands are full. Get down. Wait. Hey, stop it. Uh-oh. Stop it. Red. Hello, puppies. Okay, thank you. Hi, buddy. What is this crumble box?
Those are all cookies that are left over.
Hi, buddy. Dang, girl.
Yeah,
Hello. You can't even see. Mom got me Starbucks, and this is the best fall drink ever. Did you try it?
I did.
It's so good.
I had to.
It's the pumpkin cream cold brew, and it's freaking amazing.
It's freaking amazing. It's freaking amazing.
Yeah.
It's so good. Hi, buddy. Are you gonna freak out? They look so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. This lighting is terrible. Oh, now it's good. Woo! He looks so awkwardly sitting. Let's play a game, Mom.
Okay.
I'm gonna interview you while we're making your bed. So, what made you realize I was your favorite child?
Well, that was Susie when you came out screaming of the womb. Unlike your brother, who was quiet as a mouse.
I came out screaming because I knew my brother, who he was, and I wasn't ready to be faced with that yet.
You weren't ready for a brother.
Okay, next question. What should I ask her, Madeline? What's entertaining?
Where was my first kiss?
Oh yeah, Mom, where was your first kiss?
In Denver, Colorado.
With who? Spill the tea.
Mark.
Mark, if you're watching. I'm just kidding.
It probably is. I was outside with all the boys and I was the only girl. And we played spin the bottle.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yes, we did. It pointed to me and I had to kiss somebody.
You liked him?
Mm-hmm. He liked me too.
Did you date him or no?
I did when I was in Colorado. We made out often.
Wow.
We did. He had a Volkswagen buggy.
That's cute.
And he would go take me down the road. It was orange. So anyway,
That's
he would drive
cute.
very fast and hold my hand. Then we would do some heavy making out later.
That's funny. There you go, guys. There's my mom's first kiss story. Am I done?
You're done.
Yay! So let's go interview Madeline. What are you doing?
Getting ready.
Are you done?
Yeah.
That was fast. Hi, Blue. Red. He's eating his butt. Okay, that's cool.
I don't know if you'll love that because it's, you can try it.
Taste
It's really
test.
cute.
Oh. It's pretty good.
It's good. It's just
But it's huge.
only so much of it you can
But
really.
inside of my
That's
face.
exactly what I said. Like, you can't eat a whole one.
No.
It's way too much.
And I love sweets, and normally I can eat a ton.
Yeah. It's like, it's too rich.
It is.
It's just pretty good, though.
The texture of it is really good.
Yeah. Yum, but I'm not eating the whole thing. It's going back in the box. Bye-bye. I just dropped off Madeline. Now I'm gonna go to the pool, relax a little bit, and just have a night to myself. I just got here, and I'm trying not to talk too loud because there's only one other group of people here, and it's a bunch of dudes, and they're sitting pretty close to me. And I got this whole little, like, lounge area with a couch to myself, and it's very nice. I might get in the pool. There's literally not a soul in the pool, and it's really nice out. Y'all, it is cold. Like, it is cold, and I'm the only one out here, and the pool is like in the middle of like a bunch of apartments, and I feel like everybody in their apartment is staring at me. Like, I know they're not, but they might be. I'm usually fine, but at the pool when I'm alone, I just feel like I'm like, please don't look at me. I don't exist to you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not here. Okay. Anyone else relate? No? Cool. All right, I'm gonna go. Yeah.
Because I was looking at the lineup and
Hey boop. I just got off the phone with Kenna. We ended up talking for a really long time, but I'm back home now. Obviously, I'm not at the pool anymore. And I think I'm about to go make some chocolate chip cookies and just watch TV and just be happy in my bed eating cookies, because everybody needs a freaking break to eat some cookies in their bed, okay? So if you haven't eaten cookies in your bed and watched a good show in a long time, do it. I highly recommend it. It will make you happy, I promise. Y'all, this is me and Kenna's favorite Lorray video ever with him and his friend Issa. This part. Me and Kenna say that all the time. It's so good. Please watch this video if you haven't. Please. Wow. Oh my gosh. So good. The perfect amount of crunch but gooiness. You're lying to me if you say you don't like warm chocolate chip cookies. Good morning. It is definitely not the morning. Am I ashamed of it? No. Am I happy about it? Yes and no. Today's agenda includes getting ahead on some homework, being lazy, and not getting out of my pajamas, and maybe going to Target. But that's pretty much it, honestly. Just me going into Target in the cutest outfit I've ever worn in my entire life. I look so good. The fall decor is starting to come out, and I'm so happy and excited about it. It makes me want to buy everything, and it makes me want it to be October. Dinner, as you saw, and this is one of my most favorite, like, easy recipes. It's just hard shell tacos, which I used to be a hater on, but now I love. It's just rice, chicken, pineapple pico, cilantro, avocado, cheese, and this like sour cream sauce that I make. Boys are thick. It's been a minute since I made these. Amazing. I'm all ready for bed. I'm gonna go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.